Wow, I lied. I do have 4 paper rain cans extra.
Wow.
We are Jen, Carly, Emily, and Matt, and we make up Team Sun. The 4 of us are UMass Amherst students who worked with the Trustees of Reservations to clear and maintain hiking trails at Mount Warner.
A lot of what we think about when managing trails is water and how the water is going to affect in terms of erosion, or keeping the trail out of the water so people will have their feet dry-ish, dry as possible.
At Mount Warner, we helped with the Trustees' mission to maintain their forests. We cleared trails of twigs and fallen trees, carved out paths to act as waterways, and built water bars to redirect rainwater to prevent erosion of trails.
We're building a little trench here for this trail right here so that the water can run down this way and not pool up at the bottom.
The Trustees of Reservations work to preserve natural and historical places all throughout the Commonwealth of Massachusetts.
We're the largest owner of farmland in the state, largest private landowner.
Their mission is to actively build an extended family of friends and neighbors that can help in their different ways. They achieve this by networking with volunteers like us that take time out of their days to head out to the reserves and care for the land. Trail maintenance is fundamental to forest conservation. It sustains the condition of public land in the perfect balance between making it accessible to people and preserving the natural environment for its native inhabitants. This is critically important because the conservation of land is becoming an ever-pressing matter, and preserving land that is right in people's local area causes them to care more.
With our interests of hiking, the forest ecosystem, and its wildlife, the Trustees were the perfect organization for us to collaborate with.
Yeah, it looks really cool.
Vital for every strong community, civic engagement is contributing some of your time and energy toward the benefit of the common good. Working together for a common goal is the only way to get people passionate about forest preservation.
Environmental leadership like this is necessary to create a society that is aware and passionate about caring for the planet.
The experience was extremely rewarding in terms of learning how to work as a team.
I'm supervising.
How are you now?
We even learned about lots of invasive species and even identified some as we walked the trail.
Invasive species are a challenge for natural areas like this.
This gave us a perfect impression as to why environmental leadership is so important. Nothing can make a bigger impact on our planet than education. If each individual knows how to do their part in terms of taking care of the environment, we can make a huge impact on this planet.
It was a long, hard day of work, but it's okay. Because look how pretty the woods are.